Hi everyone, it's Tandy. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So for today's video, I thought it would be pretty fun if I gave y'all 25 teen Christmas gift ideas. Most of these ideas are actually from my own Christmas list, as well as stuff that I know that my friends and other people in my age group would enjoy to receive as a gift. I know as the holiday season is approaching, it can be kind of hard to decide what you want to get for someone as a gift, so I made this video just to help y'all out, and this video can actually also be helpful if you're looking for stuff to add to your own Christmas list, and it's actually in collaboration with another YouTuber, Kyndoll. Go ahead and check out her channel as well as her video, which will be 25 more teen Christmas gift ideas that will be linked in the description box down below. Please also subscribe to her channel, and yeah, let's get right into it. The very first gift idea I have is Fenty lip gloss. Fenty is Rihanna's brand, and they make really high-end, good quality makeup. And from what I've heard, their lip gloss is super duper good, so I think it'd be a great gift to consider getting for a teen in your life. The second gift idea I have is a Chick-fil-A gift card. I love Chick-fil-A's food, and I know that I would personally appreciate a Chick-fil-A gift card. So any other fast food or restaurant might be like a really good gift to consider getting for a teen in your life. The third gift idea I have is a Starbucks gift card. I personally really like Starbucks, and I know a lot of other people in my age group do as well. So I think getting a Starbucks gift card would be also a great idea. The fourth gift idea I have is cute sunglasses. These can be picked up anywhere. You can go for really high end and go for like Ray-Bans, or you can also find really cute ones from the brand Shein for $5. Whatever one fits your budget, I think this gift would be also really appreciated. The fifth gift idea I have is candy. This one can be like more like a stocking stuffer, but I know a lot of teens really like candy, so you can find out their favorite candy and try to see if you can pick that up. That would also be a really appreciated gift. The sixth gift idea I have is Lululemon leggings. These are a bit on the more expensive end, but if you're looking for a nice big gift to get for a teen, I would definitely recommend checking out Lululemon leggings. The seventh gift idea I have is also from Lululemon, and that is Lululemon accessories. Especially if you're going to be picking up leggings, getting a nice headband or scrunchie or water bottle to go with it would be a really nice gift. Eighth gift idea I have is Pandora jewelry. Pandora has super duper cute jewelry, and there's so many different pieces for you to choose from, so I think that would be a great gift. The ninth gift idea I have is Nike joggers. These are super cute, and personally I would like the ones that are all gray with the white logo. These are really cute just for like going out to like the store real quick, or just like relaxing at home, kind of just like lounging around. So I think that gift would be a really good idea. The 10th gift idea I have is Nike headbands. I personally have a small pack of like the thin ones, but they also like the thick ones for like basketball players, the ones that you can tie in the back, and then also the thin ones for like soccer players or just for accessories. Those are super cute. The 11th gift idea I have is Gymshark leggings. These are similar to Lululemon leggings, and I think they're a bit cheaper, but they're super cute, and they would definitely be a great gift. The 12th gift idea is something that I really would like, and those are Tree Hut body scrubs. They come in so many different scents, and they're really good at exfoliating your skin, as well as Tree Hut body butters, which would go with the scrubs. And definitely if you know anyone that's like really into body care or like self-care, this would definitely be a great gift to get them. 13th gift idea I have is Pura Vida rings. I love the brand Pura Vida. Their aesthetic is just like kind of like beach, kind of travel vibes, and I love their jewelry, so getting a ring or a bracelet would be a really good gift idea. The 14th gift idea I have is a fuzzy blanket. These would be really comfy just for like lying around the house, taking it to sleepovers and stuff like that. You can find like even wearable ones, like it's called a comfy, I believe. I'll insert a picture. And that one's kind of like a hoodie, but it's like a blanket, so that's really nice. I think that would be a great gift, as well as just any other like fuzzy blanket that you might come across. Those would be really nice to get as gifts. The 15th gift idea I have is Kate Spade jewelry. If you go on the website surprise.katespade.com, that is like their sale website. It's 100% legit, it's 100% like owned by them, and you can find some really affordable Kate Spade pieces on there. I personally have 2 bracelets from there and a necklace that I got for my birthday, and I think those would be really good gifts. 15th gift idea I have is actually a big gift, and that is the iPad Air 4 and Apple Pencil, or an iPad Pro and Apple Pencil. These are really helpful if you know someone that's into digital art or drawing or making stickers or stuff like that, or taking notes paperlessly. Getting them an iPad and Apple Pencil would definitely be a really good investment and a really good gift. The 17th gift idea I have is a skincare fridge. Personally, I have one that's about this big, and it's like a Frigidaire one. It's kind of retro. I'll insert a picture. And these would be like really good and kind of fun. Like they're kind of a little extra, but they're really cute for pictures, as well as keeping your skincare cool and refreshing. So when you use it, your face is nice and soothed. The 18th gift idea I have is a hair straightener or a flat iron. Those would be really helpful, especially if you know someone who loves to do their hair and maybe they're in need of a new straightener. Definitely getting one for Christmas would be a great idea. The 19th gift idea I have is cute pens and highlighters. Personally, the Papermate Flare pens and the Mild Liner Pastel highlighters are really good gifts, and I really love them. I personally have 30 of those Mild Liner highlighters, and then I think also like 30 or 40 of the Papermate Flare pens. So I definitely recommend those as gifts just for like journaling and stuff like that. The 20th gift goes hand in hand with the gift that I just mentioned, and that is cute journals. You can find these at like TJ Maxx, Home Goods, or even online, and that would be super cute, especially if you know someone that is really into journaling or writing or planning. Getting them a cute journal or notebook would be a great idea. The 21st gift idea I have is Kendra Scott jewelry. Personally, I love their Elisa necklaces and also their Elisa bracelets and earrings. Those are super duper cute, and I have like 3 of them, and I've gotten them for Christmas for the past like 3 years. And they're super good to receive as gifts, and they last a really long time. They've never tarnished, and they're really pretty. The 22nd gift idea I have is comfy pajama pants. You can get these pretty much anywhere, especially now that Christmas is coming around. Most stores are carrying them. These would be really nice to receive as a gift, especially for someone to just like wear around the house or just like even to bed, of course, but they would be amazing to receive as a gift. 23rd gift idea I have is a reusable custom Starbucks cup. You can get just like the regular reusable ones from Starbucks themselves, but if you want a custom one, you can find them on like Etsy or even small business websites, and those are super cute, especially for someone that drinks Starbucks a lot. That would be a really nice gift to get them. The 24th gift idea I have is makeup. My favorite makeup brands are Too Faced, Tarte, and Morphe, and you can see what this person really needs in their makeup collection, and maybe you could purchase some of that for Christmas. And lastly, the 25th and final gift idea I have is a nail salon gift card, or if your nail salon does not do gift cards, maybe you can pay for their appointment. That would be super nice, and also a really fun outing, especially if you are maybe a mother or an older sister. Y'all can go get your nails done together, and that would be a nice experience as well as Christmas gift. Unfortunately, you guys, that is the end of today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And also, please check out Kyndoll's channel, which will also be linked in the description box down below for the rest of this video, where she'll be giving y'all 25 more teen Christmas gift ideas. It was super fun to do my first collab, and I really hope y'all enjoyed today's video. All right, I'll see you guys next week. Bye!